Hello, I am about to eat some vegan mac and cheese from Trader Joe's, and I've heard some really bad things about it, and so I just couldn't help but want to try it out. But yeah, give this video a thumbs up for the YouTube algorithm. It would help my channel so much. It literally is free, and if you want to take it a step further, just subscribe. But yeah, if you want to know how I made this vegan mac and cheese taste so much better, stay tuned. All right. Okay, so we have the vegan mac and cheese right here. I wanted to edit it, doctor it, make it taste good to what I like. And yeah, so I already have the plate. So I'm just gonna... This is the color. And this texture. Okay, I'm just gonna smells insane. This is the color, and oh my gosh, I'm putting this in the microwave, by the way, so I can have a fair chance. I'm only gonna give myself like this much. So now I'm just gonna put this in the microwave. Okay, so I got this out the microwave, and this literally smells like apple pie. And yeah, it's so crazy. But I'm nervous to try this because this looks insane. It has the melt down to it, like the way it like goops. I'm so sorry for saying that word, but well, actually, shout out to Gwyneth Paltrow. It's not bad, but it definitely could do better. So I'm gonna add some seasoning. This is the vegan chickenless seasoning. Italian seasoning. Some oregano. And some salt. But I'm also gonna pour more mac and cheese and put that in the microwave with this. I'm doing it in such a weird way. Ew, okay, look at that shine. That is, oh. Drop some on the floor. This looks crazy. Oh my god. God is good. Anyways, let's put this back in the microwave. Okay, so now I have all the seasoning and more mac and cheese on the plate. She's steaming. Now I'm just mixing it up, and I hope that really made it taste like better. It smells like apple pie, which is just so weird. Like, I don't. Ooh. Also, you guys, this is pretty good. I'm gonna add the everything but the bagel seasonings. Let's see. Almost forgot this. Okay. Lord Jesus. And I would add some turmeric to make it like more of a sharp cheddar vibe, like a little bitterness, but I don't have any turmeric at the moment, and I kind of just wanted to make this video last minute. That tastes way better. Yeah. I'm not recording. But this would taste even better with some pesto. But this is, I don't mean to sound boring, you guys, but it is good. But it's not so exciting because I have my own vegan mac and cheese that I make by myself. But I have my own vegan mac and cheese that I make by myself that I think tastes so good and has a different base and everything. I'm definitely gonna make a video on how I do it now I think about it. But this is pretty good.
Huh? What she say? I thought a pussy hoe said something.
Okay guys, so with the mac and cheese, here are the ingredients. There's, you know, obviously pasta, butternut squash, coconut milk, coconut water. Oh, okay. Palm oil, canola oil, soybean oil, flaxseed oil, olive oil. Very healthy, honestly. Tapioca starch. There is soy in this, you guys. It doesn't say that it's organic. So I think I just had GMO soy just now. And I know that's not good to have, but these are just the heating instructions. I think I should give this away because I do not play about soy, and I don't see any organic little stickers on this thing, which makes me very regretful. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Yeah, so although the mac and cheese had, you know, some GMO soy, it wasn't that bad. But if you actually don't mind GMO soy, which I think is just as bad as red meat, do you, but I highly recommend to hop onto non-GMO soy. And also, if you want to know about my chickpea based mac and cheese, leave a comment down below because it's so good. It's one of my favorite things to make by myself. But yeah, so leave a comment down below, and like I said, give this video a thumbs up for the YouTube algorithm. It would help me out so much. Just a new channel, and subscribe if you feel, you know, called upon to do that. But yeah, have a great day, guys. Keep it poppin'. Okay, stay blessed. You know, have a great day, great evening, morning, whatever time of day it is, wherever you are. But yeah.